We have some Carolina chickadees here. There's a hummingbird up at the hummingbird feeder. Got some house finches coming in. You know, the thing about, oh wow, beautiful male house finch with the red on it. It's a lot easier to swivel my eyes around to watch these than it is to swivel the phone. Have to be careful not to move too quickly, so reflections from the phone, the back of the phone, don't catch the bird's eyes and scare them away. But yeah, it's easier to discern the differences in the background with your eyes than it is with the camera, or when I say the camera, I mean the phone. Of course, the nice thing about the phone is that later when I'm watching the video, sometimes there are disagreements at the feeder, but later when I'm watching the video, I can enlarge it, which is something I cannot do with just my eyes. Of course, with my eyes, I've got a wider view than I can get with the phone. There's that hummingbird. And are those both? The one on the, okay. Oh, that's a tufted titmouse. Where'd it go? There it is on that feeder. And how do I know? Well, it's got the tuft on the top of its head. A little bit like a dark colored cardinal. So it's that tufted titmouse that's sort of arguing with the house finch about room on the tray feeder. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, he's waiting his turn. There he is. Well, he, she, I think it's a he. Well, please, if you know better than I, weigh in with your facts or your opinion here. But isn't this great? I mean, oh my gosh. And it's all because I put up some bird feeders and some bird seed in them. And I'm getting to watch. This is like, this is good drama, folks. I can enlarge this more, but then it will narrow my view. I'll enlarge it later when I look at the video and when I post it, see if we can get a closer view of all this. Another thing that the camera can do that my eyes cannot do is to slow down the movements of the birds. Get a better idea of actually how their bodies move, you know, how they eat, how they fly, how they interact with one another. Sort of slow the images down to allow my brain to take in what I'm seeing. So that was a Carolina chickadee that just came by. There it is up there. Usually the Carolina chickadees and the house finches are okay with me moving around in here, but I don't want to create any sort of bird panic and scare other birds away because they see that these birds are, maybe upset or in a panic. So I love it that the Carolina chickadee, okay, it gets a seed and then it uses its short little bill to hammer away at the seed to get the seed coating off, the seed case or the shell, so that it can eat what's inside. Oh, golly. I don't even want to turn off the camera because I don't want to miss something. Notice though that I've got dried grapevine, other kinds of sticks and vines and things, old drying flowers hanging up here. And that's because it gives the birds other places to roost or to just sit around and either wait or to be trying to eat their food. And that allows me to be able to have the opportunity of seeing so many more birds.